Good morning, afternoon. We are finishing up 6.5. This is page 356, multiplying more binomials and polynomials. So here's the application of that skill set. A bedroom has a length of x plus 3 feet and a width of x minus 1 feet. Write a polynomial to express the area of the bedroom and calculate the area if x equals 10. So we're assuming that the bedroom is a rectangular shape, and so we know that the area of any rectangle is length times width. Now I'm going to change my pen color. Yellow is often difficult to see. And so we know that the length, according to the information here, of the bedroom is x plus 3 feet. And we're also given that the width is x minus 1 feet. So the question says write the area as a polynomial, so let's substitute. So our given area is length times width, right? So for the length, be this value, and for the width, we have this value. Okay, now let's multiply using the distributive property or FOIL method. So that is the first part. Now it says to calculate the area when the value of x is 10. So when x is 10, our area would equal if you're confused, this value of 10 replaces x. So 100 plus 20 minus 3. And 17 square feet. Yeah, it could equal good. Next question. We have a gentleman by the name of Nicholas is determining if he can afford to buy a car. He multiplies the number of months, M, by I plus P plus 30F, where I represents the monthly cost of insurance, P represents the monthly cost of the car payment, and F represents the number of times he fills the tank with gas each month. Write the polynomial that Nick can use to determine how much it will cost him to own a car for both 1 month and 1 year. Okay. So the cost to own a car. Okay, so let's just call that cost to own a car for a month, okay, is determined by this expression. M times I plus P plus 30F. Now, that's what it says. It says he multiplies M by this expression. So let's write this as a polynomial, meaning I have to distribute the M. So the cost per month would be MI plus MB plus 30 MF. And if you're wondering how that happened, again, multiply each term by M. Okay, now, so this is my polynomial right there. And so what would be the cost for 1 month? So we'll let m be the number of months. So when m is 1, right? What's the cost? So it would be C, the cost of a car at 1 month, is equal to 1 times I plus 1 times P plus 30 times 1 times F. So if we're writing that out, it would be I plus P plus 30F. That's our next answer. And then the next final answer would be at 12 months, and I don't know if I'm going to have enough room there, so I'm going to write the expression below it, change the color. It would be, and again, I'm using this expression here and substituting 12 for I. It would be 12m plus 12p plus 30 times 12 times f. Simplifying that expression, it becomes okay. Next question. So the volume of the pyramid can be found by using 1/3 base times height, where capital B is the area of the base and h is the height of the pyramid. The Great Pyramid of Giza has a square base. Each side is 300 feet longer than the height of the pyramid. Select the best answer. Which polynomial represents the approximate area of the base of the Great Pyramid? All right, so we can do this. Okay, so the height we'll call h. The side we'll call h plus 300, since the side of the base is 300 more than the height. So the area of this shape is, the volume of this shape is determined by this formula: 1/3 the area of the base, which is going to be the capital B times the height. Now the area of the base is the side length squared, because it's a square, right? Right? You visualize this. It's you have a square base. Not very good at visualization. But then you have a pyramid, right? Something like that, right? So it's square. So it's length times width, which is h plus 300 squared. So I'm write that out. And so this is the volume, and the base itself is, the base is this expression here. So I substitute. Now, if I look at the question, it says, which polynomial represents the approximate area of the base? Oh, so I actually went overboard. The area of the base is B. And so I don't need the volume formula per se. All I really need is this expression here. Just need to say that capital B, the area of the base, this expression. And when you square it, okay? And so I see it. Yeah, it's going to be this expression here. This is the answer here. Right there. And again, h times h is h squared. That would be 300h, 300h, gives you 600h, and 300 times 300 is 90,000. So the answer is C. Alrighty? Final question. The original height of the Great Pyramid was 485 feet. Due to erosion, it is now 450 feet. Find the approximate volume of the pyramid today. Okay, so we got the height. Okay, we know that the area of the base, based on our last expression, was x squared plus, what was it? Let's take a peek. Yeah, 600H plus 90,000. And this is H, not X. And so we now can substitute 450 in for this expression, and then eventually calculate the area, or the volume, that is. So to find the volume, I've got to know what the area of the base is. So we know what H is, 450. So let's do some math here with my calculator. So this is the value, and using my calculator, this becomes the area of the base is 562,500 square feet. So that would be the base. So we're going to take that value, substitute it here for my volume. Okay? So this is what B is here. Got it? Okay, good. And that's multiplied by 450. And multiplying this out, then dividing by 3, the answer I get is 84,375,000 cubic feet. So I was fighting for space, but that's my answer. Hey, like I always say, study hard and learn a lot, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.